Okay, beta, we are going to start next topic in adjustment of bad debts. First, we have to know about the bad debts. I think you will learn in first or second chapter. We are study about the bad debts. Bad debts means in debtors, what amount you are not going to receive, that is called bad debts. Okay, beta? In the debtors, what amount you are not going to receive. Maybe the some problem is there, maybe other thing is there, but the amount which you are not receiving from your debtors, that is called bad debts. Okay, how we are going to make the provision for bad debts? Okay, how we are going to make the provision for, I think you will learn about the provision. Provision is beta when we are making the reserve for any known liabilities, that is called provision, or any known loss, any known problem, that is called provision. So that things we are doing here, we will learn about that. In debtor some amount we are not able to receive, we will not. Okay, beta, because it's a pattern of business. You are giving, you are selling your product on credit, all amount you are received, that is I think it's as like impossible things. Some amount sure and certain. And the problem is that if we are not receiving that all amount in the one working year, maybe in next working year we are received, but that is also like a bad debts. It means in debtors, what amount we are not received at the time of final account, that is called bad debts. And how we are going to present this bad debts? First, bad debts present in peer. First thing is clear. Okay, we are making the peer. In this peer, we are presenting the bad debts. Okay, beta, it's very important because many steps is there in this provision of bad debts. Okay, just see. Debtor 80,000. Okay, all the provision we are just cut from the debtors only. Okay, beta. Provision we are going to cut from debtor, or you say provision we are going to show on debtors, on calculate on debtors. So how we are going to show? Just see. If in your question bad debts is given, so that bad debts we are showing first year. Maybe 400. Okay, if it's given, so how we are showing? First we are showing the bad debts. Then if in the question they are given 10% or 2% provision for bad debts, 2% provision for bad debts, so what we are doing? We are going to calculate 2% on this amount. Okay, 2% on debtor. So 2% of debtor is 1600. So add new provision 1600, that amount will show on outside. Okay, beta, then the amount is shown outside. If these two things is given only, okay, if these two things is given only, so what are we doing? First we are putting the bad debts, then on debtors we are going to calculate the provision, and that provision will add here. And when in balance sheet we are putting the debtors, debtor 80,000 less provision, beta. What provision we are going to calculate, that will less. Okay, beta. On this way we are putting when only bad debts given and provision for bad debts given. Okay, beta. When only bad debts given and provision for bad debts given. Okay. Now going for the next step. If in the question one new more thing is coming, written off for bad debts. Okay, if it's given a written off or new bad debts, this thing is given. Okay, so first we are putting the bad debts, what is given in the question. Okay, and in additional information, if they are given written off 1000, okay, if they are given new bad debts or bad debts not received or money not received for bad debts 1000, okay, this thing is given, then add written off 1000. Okay, beta? It's the 14,000, 1400. Okay? And what written off is there? What written off is there? That first going to less from this debtors beta. Okay? That written off first going to less from this debtor to 79,000. Then we are going to calculate 2%. If is given, if with this written off new provision is given, so then we are going to calculate new provision. 2%, 2%, 5%, 10%, just another 10%. Okay, that is very easy. 10%, it means 7,900. Okay, so that then again that represent here. Add new provision 7,900. Okay, and how we are going to present in debtor balance sheet? First debtor less written off 1,000, then 79,000, then less new provision 7,900, 100, 170. Okay, on this way, if written off is given, okay, it means new bad debts is given, written off is given, and new provision. These all three is given, then we are going to present like that. Okay, clear? Now, one more thing I am going to add. If old provision is given, all things is the same line. Okay, if bad debts is given, new provision, written off, and old provision. This all is given. Okay. If old provision is also given, then that old provision will less from here. Okay, beta. Less old provision. Maybe 2,000. So here 7,300. And these are same. No change here. Okay, beta. Only that old provision will less from this amount. Only old provision will less from this new provision or new provision amount. One twist is there. One problem will come in some questions. When old provision is more than new provision or new bad. Okay, so two things we can do. If old provision is more than from this, maybe old provision is 10,000. Okay, beta. If it's given 10,000. Okay? If it's given 10,000. Some question is given 10,000. Two ways. One, you can show credit side by old provision 10,000. Okay? On this way, or all calculation done here. Okay? And then you are showing 10,000 in a column. Or on this are 10,000 less new 9,300. Okay, so 700 we are showing. Okay, these two ways. First, all these putting this side like that, total 9,300, and this side beta 10. Okay, finished. On this way you can show. And second way, processing all these things, don't take the amount outside. 10,000 and less new 9,300, then 700. Okay, on this way we can present these two systems. It means first only bad debts is given, then we are putting here only two bad debts in PL account. If with the bad debts new provision is given, first we are putting the bad debts here, and then new provision calculate on the debtors. And when we are showing this debtor on the balance sheet, less from the debtors. Finished. When new provision with a written off is also given, then first we are putting the bad debts and written off. Then this written off will less from the debtors, and then we are going to calculate the what? Calculate the new provision. Okay? Then that will add here. Okay? And when we are going to present this in debtor in balance sheet, so balance sheet, written off and new provision, both are the less. Okay? If old provision, new provision and written off, all three is given. So first bad debts and written off less from the debtors. Okay? less from the debtors, and then calculate the new provision present here. So you can present the amount here and the new provision outside, old provision credit side, or all the amount you take here if less this amount and less from there. But if the old provision is less, well, that will old provision will less from here and difference also. One more point is there. After this, if they are given, just make the provision for discount. If after that in the question they are given, make the provision for discount. So after the deduction of written off and new provision, what amount is remain of debtors? Okay, beta. After the less of written off and new provision, what amount is remain in debtor? On that amount, we are going to calculate discount. Okay, we are going to calculate provision of discount, and that will showing on the debit side of PL. That will showing on the debit side of PL. Okay, beta? Clear? Clear? All things is clear? Okay. After that, we are going for the some questions.